Now say, for the first question, give an account of Gandhiji's efforts to secure justice for the poor indigo sharecroppers of Champaran. For this one, you are supposed to write the answer like this one. This question was given in All India exam the previous year. Gandhiji wanted to collect all the facts about the condition prevailing in Champaran before proceeding to help the sharecroppers. He met the lawyers who briefed him about the situation. He also chided, means scolded them for charging high fees for, from the poor peasants who were already crushed and fear stricken. The British officials were trying to bully Gandhi and were creating problems for him, but soon felt powerless seeing the mass support he had got. They also dropped the case of civil disobedience against Gandhi. He then proceeded to conduct an inquiry into the grievances of farmers and collected a lot of evidence against the landlords. After the inquiry committee report, Gandhi accepted the refund of 25%, stating that the amount of refund did not matter, but what mattered was that landlords were obliged to surrender their prestige. The British planters abandoned their estates a few years later, and these were reverted to peasants. Thus, Gandhiji's efforts helped secure justice for the poor sharecroppers. So, these are the certain points which are to be mentioned in the answer of this question. Another question that I told you, why did Rajkumar Shukla invite Gandhi ji to Champaran? How did Gandhiji solve the problem of the indigo farmers? Rajkumar Shukla invited Gandhiji to Champaran because he was advised to complain to him about the injustice and was told that Gandhi could help the peasants. Gandhiji wanted to collect all the facts before proceeding to help the sharecroppers. He met the lawyers who briefed him about the situation. The British officials tried to bully Gandhi, but soon gave up and also dropped the civil disobedience case against Gandhi. He then proceeded to conduct an inquiry into the grievances of farmers and collected a lot of evidence against the landlords. After the inquiry committee report, Gandhiji accepted the refund of 25%, stating that the amount of refund didn't matter, but what mattered was that landlords were obliged to surrender their prestige. The British planters abandoned their estates a few years later, and these were reverted to peasants. Thus, Gandhiji's efforts helped in solving the problems of indigo farmers. See, there are certain questions in which you can find there are some certain facts repeated. So be careful while writing the answers because some of the questions are twisted in the board exam paper. So you have to be ready for all those circumstances that you will have to face. Another question that I want to discuss with you all, the Champaran episode was a turning point in Gandhiji's life. Elucidate. Again, you will find a similar question. The Champaran episode proved a turning point in Gandhiji's life because it proved the first step of victory against the British. It proved a successful attempt to remove the distress of a large number of peasants. He even declared in the court that he was not a lawbreaker, but a law-abiding citizen fighting to get justice for poor peasants. The incidents gave him the strength and paved the way for listen to me now. The incident gave him the strength and paved the way for other movements too. He proved the point that the British rulers were not indispensable and could be beaten by the peaceful and non-violent strength of people. Several days later, Gandhiji received that the lieutenant governor of the province had ordered the case to be dropped. Civil disobedience had triumphed the first time in modern India. On the basis of this answer, you people can see how this problem was solved by Gandhiji and how it proved a turning point in Gandhiji's life. Again, I would like to discuss something which I have given you earlier even in your group. Notice writing task. Some samples and some rules are given to you in the group. A formal invitation, how a formal letter should be written. Some samples are given to you. Letter to editor, rules, regulations, certain points which are to be written in the letter to editor. Those points are also written, which I have shared you in the group. See it and make a note of it in your notebook. And the last one that I gave you to that I have given you today, that is article writing task. Some sample article writing task is also given. The rules, how the marks are given, I have given you in the group. You have to see and write down in the fair copy so that you must be able to learn it. Not only to learn it, you will be able to understand it, how this kind of writing skill questions are written. So about the other lesson, I'll discuss on any other day. Not any other day. But you have to be careful enough for writing the answers. Another question is also there, so that we can discuss. Write this question also. Which factors helped the fear-stricken peasants? Which factors helped the fear-stricken peasants of Champaran to achieve freedom? Just see the question once again. Which factors helped the fear-stricken peasants of Champaran to achieve freedom? For this question, you can write the answer like this one. Rajkumar Shukla was a resolute, and his determined effort paved the way for the freedom from fear for the peasants, as he was instrumental in bringing Gandhi to Champaran. Gandhiji's arrival in Champaran was the turning point for him, which made him take up the cause of the poor peasants to help the fear-stricken peasants to achieve freedom. He provided the much needed support to the sharecroppers in their fight against their exploitative British landlords. The lawyers also got influenced by Gandhi and joined him in his movement to help the peasants. The ordinary people came in thousands and held demonstrations around the courtroom for the release of Gandhi, which was also the beginning of their liberation from the fear of the British. The indigo plantation settlement made them free from the long-term agreement, and Gandhiji was finally able to help the fear-stricken peasants and also taught them to be self-reliant.